guys, I received a package from Canada. Not just any package, guys. Oh, from Villain Sauce Company. Guys, if you guys have not seen my last unboxing, you guys definitely should. Go check out his hot sauces, because if you guys have not tried them, you guys don't know what you guys are missing out on. So delicious. Like, delicious beyond delicious, guys. So good. I love the flavors in them. And I mean, he has some pretty spicy ones, but you can still taste all those amazing flavors. He created a new sauce. He got in contact with me, and here it is, guys. Here's the new sauce. So I still don't know what I really got myself into. I'm not sure if he just created something diabolical and it's like super spicy, or what if it's just nice and mild and flavorful. I don't know. Knowing him, it's probably spicy, to tell you guys the truth. But let's not wait any further and let's go ahead and open it, porque ya no puedo aguantar, and I really want to know what it is, what it tastes like, what is it gonna go good on. Oh, let's open it. Oh, guys. Oh. Honestly, he does the cutest stuff. Like, look at this. Look at the packaging. Look how pretty this is. I just started using this black one on my packages on Pepper and VLLC, guys. But guys, I need to get my hand on some gold one. Look at that. So effing pretty. Yeah, I like the little details like that. And he never finishes amazing me on all his stuff, guys. His cards, all his information, guys. Oh, this is a magnet. It's a magnet. Oh, this is so gonna go on my fridge. But guys, all his information will be listed down on the description box down below, so you guys can check him out. And now, time for the sauce, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, the black and gold. I freaking love it. I love it. I love the colors. It's like, oh, it's so, like, you just want to know, what is that? What is that sauce? Like, if you were to see this on the shelf right away, you would be like, ooh, what is that one, right? I know. Oh, it looks so beautiful, and I still don't even know what it is. Whew. It's Midas Tough. Okay. Sweet Scorpion Hot Sauce. Scorpion, guys. Scorpion. Like, why couldn't we just do like, ooh, you know, let's not do a jalapeno, let's do a serrano one. The spice. But a scorpion, guys, my mouth's gonna be on fire. Okay, it says shake well. Let me read you guys the ingredients. Where are the ingredients? Okay, ooh, really? What? Sweet potato as the main ingredient? That is so cool. So I'm expecting some silkiness in this one. Thai chili peppers. Guys, if you guys know about those Thai ones, oh, they like give you a sting on your tongue. Like, ooh. Apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, water, bell peppers, habanero peppers, just to add on to that spice. Shallot sugar, raisins, brown sugar. Raisins. What? Scorpion peppers. Whew. Okay. Olive oil, garlic, sea salt, curry powder, spices, pure vanilla extract. What? That is so cool. Some of these hot sauces, like, it just gets to you like, what? How do they even add that in there? How do they incorporate it? And it actually makes it like taste so much better. Like, oh, you know, that's why they're like the sauce bosses. They know exactly what they're doing. Cinnamon, guys. What? Okay. Guys, you guys know, I don't know if you guys have ever tried that cinnamon spoon challenge. Yeah, cinnamon can be really spicy. So let's go ahead and let's try this, because I'm really curious on how it tastes. So puedo abrir. Let me get my cuchillo to open it. It's probably like, no, baby girl, you're not ready for it. It's gonna be too spicy. Hopefully it's not, guys. Hopefully it's not like ridiculously spicy, but it is scorpions. Like, when is a scorpion not spicy? Like, oh yeah, I ate a scorpion pepper, it was nothing. Yeah, right? Like, if you eat a scorpion pepper, like, you're already up there, you know what I mean? Okay. The flavoring in this, guys. Just look at this sauce. Guys, get your guys' own customized spoon at Pepper Envy LLC. Only $5. Never pay shipping or taxes. Because I hate paying shipping or taxes. Oh my goodness. That consistency. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see the consistency? Se me fue. That's a lot of sauce, guys. My spoons, they hold quite a bit of sauce, but it keeps its shape. The silkiness, the smoothness in this, wow. It is a super, super nice sauce. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. You really do get the sweet potato. I feel like the sweet potato kind of like helps ease that pain that you're gonna go through. You get the sweet potato, you get some garlic, you get the seasoning flavors, the perfect amount of salt. How you came up with this, I don't know, bro. You'll get a little bit of like cinnamon touch towards the end, and then bam! The scorpions, your mouth is on fire. Like my taste buds, they're tingling, guys. My mouth is on fire with this one. But see, that's what I told you guys. I told you guys the bro at Villain Sauce Company. Can't even talk, guys. One spoonful. Guys, he knows exactly what he's doing. These sauces, oh my goodness. Canadian sauces, verdad? Oh, you guys haven't tried them. I'm telling you guys. You guys definitely should. The consistency, though. Freaking beautiful, guys. I just can't get enough of it. Good on anything. I want to put this on fish tacos, turkey tacos, any kind of tacos. On your chicken. So spicy, so spicy. Honestly, just with chips. If you have some chips nearby, which you always should. A veces se me acaban because I love chips, guys. I love chips with salsa, but I just bought myself a bag yesterday night. Yep, so good. I probably shouldn't do any more because I still gotta post it on Instagram, guys. You guys following me on Instagram too? Because you guys should. It's so spicy, it's so spicy. The flavor though, is so addicting that I just can't get enough of it. So good. Thank you, bro, for sending it to me. It's a hit with me. I love it. I love all your sauces. They are so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a super amazing day. Bye.